Are you like this or this? Or a designer like this one or this one? I think it's about time for you to have a second monitor. Watch this video and I'll give you 3 compelling reasons why you need to have a second monitor. Everyone has different needs when looking for a monitor. It depends on what type of work you're doing or your budget. What's important for me as a creative director, public speaker, and overall content creator is the monitor that is color accurate. Whether you're a photo or video editor, creator, students learning from home, professionals working from home, or occasional gamer, this is the ASUS ProArt Display PA278QV 27-inch wide quad high definition 2560 by 1440 IPS monitor with frameless design. It's Calman Verified to guarantee industry-leading colors, and it's factory calibrated for excellent delta E of less than 2 color accuracy. Now, if you're not familiar with Calman, they are currently the most popular calibration solution in the industry. There are only 2 brands that offer Calman Verified monitors. Let's fire off few other quick points before getting back to the video. ASUS ProArt Display has 100% sRGB and 100% REC709 wide color gamut, meaning this is the number of colors that the monitor can display, and 100% means that it meets the international color standard. It also has a ton of ports. The only thing that will be nice is maybe USB-C. And the best part, it tilts, it swivels, it pivots, and you can adjust the heights for a comfortable viewing experience. Is this monitor top of the line? No. But it is a great monitor for entry-level video and photo editors, which some of you may be. Now let's rock and roll! I am a graphic designer and public speaker as well. During this pandemic, I have a lot of webinars. Before, I'll only use one monitor. And I'm telling you, as a public speaker, napakahirap po niya. Why? Because you cannot see the audience. Number one, you cannot see your video. Parang you're talking in the blind, no? You're just like, parang you're reciting na akala mo walang nakikinig sa iyo. And then pangalawa, hindi mo makita yung next slide mo. I experienced way back before pandemic, when I present, meron projector and you have your monitor. In that way, I am productive, I'm effective, and I look more professional. So since it struggled for me in using one monitor, so I decided to get another monitor. So having the second monitor, it's like I'm presenting in person. So sa monitor, you can see the next slide, and the projector, you can see the presentation. So that's the advantage of having a second monitor. You can consider your second monitor as your projector, and then you can monitor your next slides using your MacBook or your laptop. So that makes my life easier and makes my life efficient and more professional. And now I have even 3 monitors just for the webinars and virtual workshops that I conducted. And for graphic design, challenge then if you're using one monitor. Why? Because you have multiple design programs opened at the same time. Now you have to alt-tab or switch back or switch on different programs. Ngayon, hindi mo nakikita yung progress. Now, it's easier for me to do a lot of stuff because I can open my design on another window, and I can open another design program in another window. So I can monitor all of my works simultaneously kasi I'm a type of person, when I do design, I open 3 programs. Yes, I don't know about you. For sure, you are more than that design programs. Pag nagde-design ka, ako 3. So I opened Adobe Photoshop, InDesign, and Illustrator. Kung sakasakali pa, if I'm doing web or applications, I open Adobe XD. So, look at that, no? And then, meron ka pang Google Chrome, and then from that Google Chrome, you have multiple tabs, website opened, and then you have another Word file, etc., etc. And you have Messenger pa on the other side. Look at that, no? So, imagine your life working of all of those programs in just one monitor. Man, that is so hard. So, having a second monitor is really, really good. First, it will increase your focus. Ito na yung moment of something like hindi ka na matigil and your focus on kahit kalabitin ka ng kaibigan mo, hindi mo napapansin, or kahit may tumawag sa'yo, hindi mo napapansin because you are in the zone. That's one thing. Second, it will improve your productivity because you can open all of the programs together simultaneously in other programs. Madami kang matatapos at madami kang magagawa. And you know, the feeling of nakita mo lahat ng ginagawa mo, that is something nice. So that's good. That's improve your productivity. Third is it will improve your creativity. It changes your mindset. If you have very good, nice workstation and setup, there is something that feels inspired and drive to do more stuff, more productive, and then creativity will follow. And when you feel something like that, mas pumped up ka and mas geared ka, or you are driven to do more. So those are the three things that were gonna happen to you if you have a very effective workstations and having second monitor. All of those problems that you encountered before will be settled. And it's a good investment as well. See you next video. Mabuhay! Rock Cleo here, bringing you the best tools and tips in building your career as a creative designer. In this channel, we're giving a lot of YouTube video tips as well as tech reviews like this. If bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, consider subscribing. At any point during this show, check out the notes and links in the description below. I list all the gear I talked about down there as well as the bonus accessories and things like that. So, let's rock and roll!